The dogs have found an emergency. The little pigs were coming out in the rain. Is that an emergency? It might be. There they are. It's raining, little pigs. Go back in there. Go back in. They're all lined up at the door, eating a leaf.
Except for Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin Bacon is missing. From the left is Kiwi. To the right of her is Tweedledum. In the middle is the intact boar that's being sold to a farm. To the right of him is Tweedledee. And then there's the unnamed female we haven't decided on yet. Aren't they cute? Get in the house, piggies.